Welcome back to the show. Did you know that according to the World Health Organization, 1 in 6 people don't have access to clean water? Well, a group of future engineers at Longdale Elementary met after school for 8 weeks to do their best to tackle that issue.
Ask. We asked a question. What was the question that we were asking last week?
What went bad with the dirty water?
We find that out by experimenting, and if we're not sure, we just do it again to make sure there's no changes.
Longdale was lucky enough to receive a grant where we have had the opportunity to allow students, 4th and 5th grade students, to join in a STEM camp. And STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics.
All right, we're going to keep rocking. What kind of contaminants did we use in our water? What were the contaminants that we used in our water to filter? Tea was one. Cornstarch was another.
This is some dirty water, all right? And what we're going to do today is act as environmental engineers to create and design a water filter that will be the best to clean this water.
Yeah, let's make like the cheesecloth on top of the screen and under the screen.
It began with learning about the problem that some countries face with clean water and how lucky we are to have the clean water that we have. We then decided that we were going to try and build water filters to solve that problem.
So it would be filters, the coffee filters, to make a fast working filter. Okay.
Cost, that's important. They were given a lot of different challenges. I made them aware that when designing anything, cost is always an issue. So when they were designing their filters, there was a certain budget that they had to stay under. So as the students were working with one another, deciding which materials they wanted, they were also using math skills and kind of economic skills in order to build a filter that was efficient, but also cost efficient.
Gravity.
How much was yours now?
I have $8, $12.
Mine? I got $6.
What's your cheapest?
$6.
How's it $6?
So one is cheesecloth and one is cheesecloth and, okay, you're not using sand at all? In the STEM lab, I had put up kind of a fake store with all the materials that they could choose from.
One cotton ball.
We need cheesecloth.
We need a coffee filter.
In the store, the students each had a 2-liter bottle. That was kind of the structure for their filter. They would put the contaminated water into their filter and test their filter out by seeing how clean the water was after it filtered through. As we started, the girls were really focused on the cost and the boys were really focused on the materials. And by the end, it was really awesome to see the happy medium that they came with.
25 seconds.
Okay, come on. Oh, really?
Come on. Yeah.
The students are set to pitch their water filter designs to some real-life engineers for the last day of the class.